The 2025 Honda Forza is set to elevate the scooter market with a blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. As a Honda's flagship scooter, the Forza combines practical commuting capabilities with a sporty design that appeals to both urban riders and weekend adventurers. The 2025 model showcases a sleek and aerodynamic profile, featuring sharp lines, a bold front fascia, and modern LED lighting that enhances visibility and safety. This updated look not only makes a statement on the road but also contributes to improved wind resistance, making rides smoother and more enjoyable. At the heart of the 2025 Forza is a powerful 300cc engine that promises exhilarating performance. This engine is designed for efficiency and responsiveness, providing ample acceleration for city riding while maintaining excellent fuel economy for longer journeys. The Forza is expected to offer a smooth ride, thanks to its advanced suspension system, which includes telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock that can handle various road conditions. Whether navigating through traffic or cruising on the highway, the Forza is engineered to deliver a confident and comfortable ride. One of the standout features of the 2025 Forza is its emphasis on technology and connectivity. The scooter is likely to be equipped with a full-color TFT display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel consumption, and navigation prompts. Bluetooth connectivity may also be integrated, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for hands-free calling and music streaming. This tech-savvy approach ensures that riders remain connected and informed, enhancing the overall riding experience. Additionally, the Forza is expected to come with advanced rider aids such as traction control, which improves stability in various weather conditions. Storage is another key consideration for the 2025 Honda Forza, and it does not disappoint. The underseat storage compartment is spacious enough to accommodate a full-face helmet and other essentials, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend getaways. The scooter may also feature additional storage solutions, such as a glove box and optional top cases, which allow riders to carry their belongings securely. This practicality makes the Forza a versatile choice for those who need a reliable mode of transportation without sacrificing convenience. Safety remains a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Forza is expected to be equipped with advanced braking systems, including ABS as standard. This feature enhances braking performance, giving riders added confidence when navigating through busy streets or making quick stops. The scooter's lightweight frame contributes to its agility, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Furthermore, the Forza's design promotes visibility, with reflective elements and bright indicators that ensure other road users can see the rider clearly. As we look at the 2025 Forza, it's important to mention its eco-friendly credentials. Honda is committed to reducing its environmental impact, and this model is expected to incorporate technologies that enhance fuel efficiency while minimizing emissions. The combination of a powerful engine with smart engineering means that riders can enjoy spirited performance without compromising on sustainability. This focus on the environment makes the Forza an appealing choice for the modern rider who values both performance and responsibility. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Forza is likely to be competitive within its segment, appealing to a wide range of customers, from new riders to seasoned enthusiasts. Honda's reputation for reliability and durability adds to the attractiveness of the Forza, ensuring that buyers are making a smart investment. With its combination of performance, practicality, and modern features, the Forza is poised to attract attention from commuters and leisure riders alike. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Forza promises to deliver an exceptional riding experience, combining sporty performance with advanced technology and practical features. As it stands out in the crowded scooter market, the Forza is designed for those who seek adventure without sacrificing comfort or convenience. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and emphasis on connectivity and safety, the 2025 Forza is shaping up to be a top contender for anyone in search of a versatile and enjoyable scooter. As we await its official release, excitement continues to build around what this innovative model will bring to the riding community. Keep an eye out for more updates as we dive deeper into the features and performance of the 2025 Honda Forza.